Life of Pi, Jan Martel, Book Summary. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. Life of Pi by Jan Martel is a mesmerizing story of survival, spirituality, and the power of storytelling. It follows the extraordinary journey of Pai Patel, a young Indian boy who survives a shipwreck only to find himself stranded on a lifeboat in the Pacific Ocean with a Bengal tiger named Richard Parker. The core premise revolves around Pai's struggle to survive against impossible odds. As he navigates the vast ocean, Pai relies on his wits, faith, and an unexpected bond with Richard Parker to endure the physical and psychological trials he faces. One transformative insight from the novel is the intersection of faith and reason. Pai's diverse spiritual background, having embraced Hinduism, Christianity, and Islam, provides him with a rich tapestry of beliefs that sustain him throughout his ordeal. Martel explores how faith can coexist with reason, offering strength and hope in dire circumstances. Another significant theme is the relativity of truth and the role of storytelling. Pai's recounting of his journey blurs the line between reality and imagination, prompting readers to consider the nature of truth and the stories we tell ourselves to make sense of our experiences. Martel suggests that stories, whether factual or fictional, hold profound power and meaning. The novel also delves into the human-animal connection. This relationship with Richard Parker transcends fear and distrust, evolving into a complex companionship that underscores the themes of coexistence and mutual survival. This bond challenges conventional perceptions of dominance and submission, highlighting the respect and understanding required for harmony. One of the most memorable moments is Pai's triumphant taming of Richard Parker, symbolizing his ability to confront and manage his fears. This pivotal scene signifies Pai's resilience and resourcefulness, illustrating his journey from vulnerability to empowerment. Jan Martel, a Canadian author, is acclaimed for his thought-provoking narratives that often explore existential themes. With a background in philosophy and anthropology, Martel's writing is characterized by its depth and philosophical undertones, inviting readers to ponder profound questions about life and existence. Life of Pi remains significant today for its exploration of faith, resilience, and the human spirit. In a world where uncertainty and adversity are prevalent, Martel's narrative resonates with readers seeking meaning and inspiration in the face of life's challenges. An actionable takeaway from Life of Pi is the encouragement to embrace diverse perspectives and trust in the power of your own story. Martel's novel inspires readers to explore their beliefs and use creativity and hope to navigate life's unpredictable journey, reminding us all of the resilience inherent in the human spirit. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.